Next, we will look at how to add a bin to the context through the use of stereotypical annotations. For example, in freshman set, we can see the magic wand class. And in order to add this class to the context, we can use the method with the bin annotations. In project configuration, just create a new bin, which will return without name some method wand, which will return magic wand. This is a way that you already know, but in this lesson we will use a different way. Delete this bin, open this magic wand, and mark it with the annotation component. Component annotation from Org Spring Framework stereotype. Component is a stereotype annotation. Okay, this is the first step. Mark this annotation to this class. And the step 2, in the project configurations, we need to add a component scan. Annotation component scan and specify some package name. Base package. We can see that base package is an array of type string, but value is always some string value. Let's use the name of this package, com aslan.developer sprinker, and this is lesson 8 component annotation. And wrap it in a string by using quotes. We can see mistake type mismatch requires array. Okay, so let's use base package and array of method. Thus, the class magic wand is brought into context by using this component annotation, stereotype annotation, and project configuration. This annotation component scan, base package, array of, and this address where there is our class. And now we can get this bin from the context. Let's open our main function and just create magic wand from context by invoking method getBin, and to just specify the type of magic wand. And print it. Let's do it data class. Notice that data class must have at least one primary constructor parameter, and a magic wand has a core. It's either a phoenix feather or a dragon heart. By default, phoenix feather of type string. Okay, magic wand, and we can get it from context by method getBin and print it. The difference between these ways that it is not flexible. We can't customize its fields. For example, if we delete this default value, we can't change it. And when we run our program, we can get an empty core we can change it this way. For example, in project configuration, let's create a bin of this type. Bin. Let's temporarily delete it. Enter this component and just create a simple bin. Open function, method want of Harry, Harry's want, and create a magic wand. And when we create magic wand, we can customize the value of its fields. For example, we can see curve. We can specify the heart of dragon or phoenix feather. And also we can create an other bin, wand of Ronald Weasley. Magic wand, but with unicorn hair, for example. And we can create a wand context by the name of the bin. Let's give it names. This is bin Harry, and this is bin Ron. Magic wand of Harry, Harry's magic wand, and print it. We can see it's a curve phoenix feather. Okay, but if we change the name of bin Ron, we can customize its curve. Unicorn hair. But how do we achieve this flexibility when we use a component annotation? Let's comment this. Component scan, magic wand, this component. And without bins, we can't use its names. We only specify the name of magic wand. We must do the following. Open the body of this class and create a function. Set cur after initialization. After init. Okay, and we can get cur and set its some value. Phoenix feather, for example. And we need to change it to var if we will change its value. And next, in order for this method to work after the object has been constructed, we must mark it with the post-construct annotation. Only this method. Add post-construct. But first we need to connect the dependency with this annotation if we have a Java version later than Java 11. Open POM.xml and just generate a new dependency. Generate dependency. javax.annotation API. Annotation dash API. Yes, we can see this dependency and we must add it to our project. This is a way by using IntelliJ IDEA environment, and also we can open the site Maven repository, search browser explorer, and write here our API annotation. javax.annotation API, and find it here. This is from central Maven repositories. Open some version, later version, and just copy from here. And copy it to our project. Java X. X is extensions, annotation, JavaX annotation IP and a version. And synchronize our Maven. And after synchronization, the annotation, this post construct annotation becomes available. Post construct from Java X annotation. Okay. And this method will launch post construct after creation its object and give it name. Run our program. And we can see the cur, Phoenix feather. So let's change it value for dragon heart. And run our program again. We can see that its value has been changed. Okay, good job, and I see you in the next lesson.